Hey guys, so today we'll be learning how to put images in the screen as a background or as a normal image. So if you want to put it as a background, you need to look for an image. Right now we're gonna do a tourist guide program, application, or whatever you want to call it. And so we're gonna do it about Santa Monica in California. So which is an image. We have to add an image that is JPG. It's like this, JPG, or JPEG. And the size, we can find it in tools right here in Google. Size, and we have to choose medium size. So we can choose any image right here. We're gonna choose this one, I think. Santa Monica Yacht Harbor. You have to save the image as, you have to put a small name. So we're gonna put Santa M. Cali. Sorry. We're gonna, right here, images. Santa M. Like that. So we get back to the app. Then here we have a background image. It's displayed on the screen. So we choose upload file. Select, and we have it over here, Santa M. Okay. And it's gonna be over there. Now, if you wanna add an image, not as a background, we have, you can left it white background, or you can put it, I don't know, maybe blue. We're gonna try pink. So you can drag an image, picture right here. We're gonna put the same picture. Okay. And now, if you wanna make it smaller, you can, here in percent, you can put 20. Like that, with 20, so it's like that. Or you can also make it bigger. Right here, 50% and 50%. Now scale picture to fit. I think we're gonna do right here like 60. So it's a square image, yeah, like that. Now, as we are doing a tourist guide, we're gonna make buttons to go to other pages. So here we have to grab an horizontal arrangement right there. We're gonna like here, 10%. Yep. And in width, we're gonna add a 99%, so it's almost all over screen. So then we go back to user in transference and add buttons. And we're also are gonna add another horizontal arrangement right here. But this button, it's gonna have some signs like that, and we're gonna add another button over here, and we're gonna that size. So we have right here. Now we have to put the width in fill parent, so it goes like this. Now if you don't wanna like let this thing like this color, you can also change it right here. You're clicking that background color and none. And also with this one, background color and none. So now you have your, you can click right here or click right here, but we are gonna add another screen over there. So I put add screen. Okay, let's add just 3 screens more. Okay, so in screen number 2, you're gonna do the same with the buttons as we do in screen number 1. I'm gonna change the background color so you can see like the changes over there. So that is no white, so green, and yeah, this is screen 3. And we're gonna go to screen 2, horizontal arrangement, button, drag it over here. Sorry, I didn't change the sizes of this. We'll let this automatic and width 99%. And we add our another horizontal arrangement and another button. Right here, we add the signs, 2 little signs. And right here we add the 2 other little signs. So this one is hide automatic and with fill parents. I'm gonna click fill parent, yeah. So now we have like that. None. This horizontal arrangement. None. There we have it. Now we have to do the same thing in our screen number 3, sorry. So now that we have our 3 screens with these buttons over here, we have to go to the block section right there in the corner. So we can choose our screen. Let's go to screen number 1. Button 1. Button 1 clicks. Then we're gonna add a control. Sorry. Of open another screen. So button 1 is the right here, so it's gonna be screen number 3. Screen name, we add screen name. Thought it was in right here, text. So when button 1 is the one that we have over here, so when we click that, it takes us to screen 3. Sorry, screen 3, like that. And when button 2 clicks, we duplicate this, but instead of screen 3, it's gonna be screen 2. Then we go to the screen 2, and so the same thing. When you click button 1, we're told it was this one, so it will go back to screen number 1. Let's open another screen name, text. So this is gonna go to screen 1. Again, go with button 2. Duplicate but as this is moving forwards, it's gonna be to screen number 3. And we have to do the same thing with screen number 3. So now that we have all the screens like that, we can go to screen number 2, the designer, and we can add some information right here. So we're gonna add a button to make this more interesting, with 99, so it's almost all our screen. Automatic, yeah. And I'm gonna put it right here. Click to see some information. Obviously, it's gonna be information about Santa Monica, California. Font size, we're gonna change that to 20. Yep. So now you can also change the color of this background. This one. And put the letters white. Text color right here, so it's more visible. And click to see some information. Now you're gonna add a label right here. You're gonna add a link text right here, like that. But in the designer part, you are gonna, when button 3 is clicked, button 3 is the one we put with the information. Set label 1 text 2, and we add here some text. How about Santa Monica is located in the west coast of California. And that will be all. Let's check it in our phones. If you wanna add a URL from another website, you can click here in Web Viewer in the user interference display. Just put it over there. And here you have the home URL. So search for something, copy and paste the to make the Web Viewer. You have to click it. Change. Wanna do you have to set, go to, sorry, you drag in here, add a text, right here, add it, drag it, sorry, you have to drag it over here, and you have to paste the URL. And let's check this in our phones. Okay, so we have to connect the phone to the computer. So we have to go to connect, iCompanion. Let's reset this. Okay, so now on our phone, we have to download this app, Meet IT Companion. Scan QR code, scan it, and should be loading. Okay, we wait a few seconds. We have it right there. We have our screen. Let's go to screen run. So we click here. It's looking. I also have a map over there, so you can make it scroll. Yeah. This is an image. So we click a little world right over here. We can actually search for Santa Monica. It's right here in the application, as you can see it. And over here again. And we'll have it over there. There it is.